Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have this special unboxing of this PTZ security camera, and of course this is the Codnida. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, and of course it's a PTZ security Wi-Fi smart camera. Now do note that you can pick these up on Amazon. This is one of the better rated ones that you can pick up, and also along with it I recommend that you also get a SD card that is compatible, that you can actually use to keep the local storage. All right, so as you can see here, it's a Wi-Fi smart camera. It says easy to achieve real-time remote viewing, and of course you can see the front of the box. You have the preview of the product, and it gives you some of the main features. And the theme here is guard your home day and night. It gives you HD 1080p, gives you color night vision. That's cool. And of course PTZ control, two-way audio, alarm push, motion detection, supports TF cards, and of course it's IP66 weatherproof in terms of it can be used outdoors, which is going to be needed. At the top here you can see just the top of the box. If we turn around to the side, it gives you the basic setup, and with your phone and so on you can contact the manufacturers. It's the app that's on Android as well as iOS, which is the ICC app. And of course it runs through the main features here. The PTZ means it can rotate probably almost 360 degrees, and up and down, pan and tilt. There's the 1080p image quality, which is good. It's alarm push to your phone. You can detect motion. It has two-way talk, speaker, mic, and of course we talked about all of these before. It can give you a little introduction around here, the product, and we're going to open this up. So we're going to remove the tab here, and we're going to remove the contents of the box. Alright guys, so I've removed the section there. Here we have the quick start guide about your user manual for the camera. Next we have the contents of the box, and you can see right here, I'm going to remove this. You do get your adapter, and we're going to remove the camera. Alright, so you can check out the camera itself guys. It's quite large, or larger than I was thinking. It has a good size. For reference, I'll try to get something for scale. Let me look around here. Okay, here I have the iPhone 11 for scale, and as you can notice here how it matches up, so it's a pretty decent size in terms of size. And if you want something for reference, again I can use my hand, so it's about twice the size of my hand or your fist clench. All right, so we have the PTZ camera. I'm going to put this here. We have the adapter as I just showed. Here we have the guide, and of course we do get these stuff. Not sure what this is. We do get the mounting screws, which is cool. We do get this, what seems to be a seal that might prevent water from getting into a section. All right, so that's all the contents of the box. Let's look at this from a different angle. And as you can see here guys, this is all that's inside of the box. Alright guys, so here's a different angle, and you can check out the device itself, and these are all the contents of the box. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the camera itself. So we're going to place the installation stuff to the side, and one of the things I noticed right away guys is that the unit here, and you do get the cameras right here along with two antenna here for better reception. So I'm going to place these back, and the base that goes on the wall. So that earlier tab that I found was actually from here, so I'm going to place that back. Here we go. So let's slide this back in. All right, so this sponge back, and you have the 4 mounting points. You have the 2 wires, and right here we have the section for the adapter, and here for the Ethernet cable to connect to a router. although it's wireless as well. And we have the camera. All right, and you can notice from the camera there are the various sensors that gives you a bunch of features such as the night vision, the two-way talkback, and so on. All right, so I'm going to set this up, and as soon as I'm finished, guys, I'm going to come back. And when we come back, guys, we're going to actually look at the functionality. When we connect connect this to the app on the phone, we'll show you the quality, and of course we'll explore it a little bit more. All right, guys, so I have installed the camera, and of course the app in question that it uses is the ICC app, which is this one. You can find it in the Google Play Store as well as the Android Play Store as well as the iOS Play Store, and it's pretty easy to set up once you use the included manual. And of course I'll have the full review on the website. Go ahead and launch the app, and of course once I launch the app itself, all right, you'll notice here this is my desk. I have it set up with my desk. It has a number of features, including messages that are pushed to the device once it detects motion. And of course you can see here it's a cloud service. You do get a month free, but of course you'd have to pay. I use the local storage, which is the TF card. And if you check out here, guys, you can see my desk, and you can use the mic. So let's try that. Test. All right, so that's all right, so that's the feedback from the mic. Seeing that we're in the same room, we have playback, and the playback feature here has to do with anything that was seen. So we can actually go to playback. It asks you for video, cloud, photos, so you can pull your videos from the local storage, or the photos from the local storage, or simply playback. You can use the mic or intercom. It's pretty loud, or you can take a snapshot if you see something interesting. All right, the cloud for in case you have the cloud set up. There's PTZ, which is point and zoom. Let me just move this a bit. Notice the camera is moving. You do hear the mechanism a bit if it's in the same room. All right, and it can tilt and pan up. It can also go all the way up. It's pretty nice. All right, so if we go down again, you see it goes back. All right, there's lighting. You can turn on the lighting, mess with the lighting. There's also auto rotate mode. There's a bunch of modes here, and it's pretty standard compared to what we normally get from a camera like this. That works quite fine. All right, so I like the range. It gives you a wider range compared to a traditional video camera that's limited to a single position. You can control, or you can have it go in sentry mode. It can detect motion. It has night vision. It can auto track. It has full HD, so you can switch between standard quality. This is low, or you can go to HD, which can require more bandwidth to transmit more data. So far I'm loving this. It's not bad at all. You can hear what's coming through the mic in terms of hearing what's happening around the place. You can put the places on cruise control, or you can snap pictures and so on. So it's a pretty innovative tool. You can actually use this to protect your property and track cameras. You can track license plate. You can pick up a number of things depending on where you install this, and so on. So overall, I like this. If there is anything else to add, I'll do a follow-up review, but overall it works pretty well. All right, so I'm gonna end the review here. If you have any thing that you'd like to ask, you can ask in the comments. And as always, guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.